Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply blurry effect to your video in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have imported my video as well to this project. And first of all, I'm going to drag the video to the timeline like this. And if you want to make our video blurry, we can click on effect option right here. Then we can click on the video effect. Then you have to select lens category. Then you have to find the blur effect that you want to use, and for example I'm going to select this blur effect, so just tap on this plus button and now the effect has been added to our timeline and we can make the effect align with the video. We can just drag it like this. Okay, and now the video has been blurry and you can select how blurry you want it to be. If you want to make it super blur, you can go right like this. Then if you want to make it less blur, you can go left like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can apply blurry effect on our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.